Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Explore Maths. In this video we are going to solve a very nice algebra problem. Here we have x square minus x cube is equal to 150. Then what is the value of x? So let us see its solution, and here in first step we will write it in this way: x square minus x cube. Taking this value also to left hand side, it will be minus 150 equal to 0. Now x square minus x cube, splitting this value 150 in this way, minus 25 minus 125 equal to 0. Now here x square minus x cube minus this 25 is same as 5 square minus this 125 is same as 5 cube equal to 0. Now joining squared values and cube values, here will be x square minus 5 square minus, taking minus common from cube values, here will be positive x cube plus here will be 5 cube equal to 0. Now here we can apply the algebraic formulas here that are on this part. Here will be a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b, and on this part of equation we can apply the algebraic formula, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So now by following these formulas, here will be x minus 5 times x plus 5 minus x plus 5 times x square minus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. Now here we can see that this value x plus 5 is repeating, so we will take it out as common factor, so that here left will be x minus 5 minus here left will be x square minus 5x plus 25 equal to 0. So now x plus 5 times x minus 5, multiplying this negative sign inside bracket, here will be minus x square plus 5x minus 25 equal to 0. Now here is x plus 5 times, rearranging this equation, here will be minus x square plus 5x and plus 1x will be plus 6x, and minus 25 minus 5 will be equal to minus 30 equal to 0. Now here we have gotten two factors that are equal to 0. So here is x plus 5 equal to 0, or minus x square plus 6x minus 30 equal to 0. Now from here x will be equal to minus 5, that is the first value of x, and as here we have gotten a form of quadratic equation, as here is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, so that here a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to positive 6, and c is equal to minus 30, and the quadratic formula for the value of x will be equal to, as we know that, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So now by putting the values of a, b and c here, x will be equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of 6 square minus 4 times negative 1 times negative 30 divided by 2 times negative 1. Now x will be equal to here minus 6 plus or minus root of 6 square is equal to 36, and minus times minus is plus, times minus is minus. 30 times 4 is 120 divided by negative 2. So now x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 120 is equal to minus 84 divided by negative 2. So now x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of 84 is equal to here. Let's factorize this. So first we are dividing by 2, therefore here will be 4 and 2. Now again divided by 2. So here is 2 and 1. Now dividing by 3, here will be 7. So the factors of 84 are 2 square times 7 times 3 is 21. So here we will put 2 square times negative 21, as here is negative, divided by negative 2. X will be equal to minus 6 plus or minus, here is 2 square, square will be cancelled by the root, so here will be 2 out of root, 2 times root of negative 21 divided by minus 2. Now x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 2 times root of negative 21 is same as root of 21 times I divided by negative 2. Now x is equal to, taking minus 2 common from numerator, here will be 3 plus or minus root of 21 times I divided by minus 2. Now this minus 2 will be cancelled by this minus 2, and here we are getting x equal to 3 plus or minus root of 21 times I. So here we will write x, here is x1 equal to minus 5, x2 is equal to 3 plus root of 21 times I, and x3 is equal to 3 minus root of 21 times I. So here we have gotten total 3 roots of x. Here this one is real root while other two are complex roots. I hope you would have liked video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.